Yeah, my name's Richard. Richard Day. I work in the first line support department of the IT. I've been working here for about just over 2 years now, and it's great. First impressions of Polygon would probably be relaxed environment. Everyone seems to get on well and be friendly and stuff like that. So when I first walked through the door, I knew that it would be a decent place to work because of that. Mainly, we use a system called ServiceNow where we get tickets from everyone in the company who has problems, and I answer all those tickets from this website. Company day was good this year, yeah. It's a lot more engaging than the previous years had been, which I think is a positive because it means it's a step forward really at the end of the day, isn't it? I won Employee of the Year in support services. That encompasses everyone in support, obviously, who doesn't go out to site and is on site. I just felt involved, sort of thing, going up, shaking Jeremy's hand. The MD was nice, so yeah. The team, yeah, we're a good team. The IT support department, we all help each other. We've all got our part to play. Yeah.